Okay guys, so today starting on the road that takes us down towards Chicken Bridge and into town. Starting off, of course, you got to Poseidon, and I believe there's another one down there as well. They're like sister hotels, think they share the same facilities.
And that was
Poseidon and Poseidon Playa.
Yeah.
No, that's Poseidon Playa. I mean Palace. Hotel Poseidon Palace. Hotel Poseidon. Then Hotel Poseidon Playa is the one down on Ponente Beach.
There you go. Know everything you do, Marcus.
And I think that's how it is anyway, guys. Seems like they're doing this old house up here, like complete refurb. Anyway, yeah, just going down this road here, tons of different hotels. Many of them are on the main road itself, whereas many of them are off like sort of back roads, back streets. Coach there as well, maybe bringing in more people. And of course there's a reception for the Hotel Poseidon Palace. Few steps down to it. They've got a scooter charging area, but the question is like a scooter gonna fit in the lift? Or you can be brave and go down like the big ramp here. I mean, I wouldn't really want to do that. Well, what if your brakes ain't working and you just keep flying?
Oh, that'd stop you.
Yeah. I don't know that. Looks a nice hotel though. I think that's the other hotel there as well that you can see. However, with the Poseidon Palace, does seem like you can get some really good size balconies. Now that is something I do. Oh, I forgot that. I didn't notice you could see the pool area from up here. So yeah, pool area just down back there. You got like a shuffleboard court, bowls court, and a ping pong table. Then of course there's Mike. Anyway, as I was saying, I think that's the main point of a holiday. Like, you got to have a decent size balcony. Like, you don't want to get to your hotel, go out on balcony and find out like only one person can fit on it at a time. Anyway, sushi restaurant there, Metto Sushi Buffet. Not sure when it's opened though, but I've heard it's quite nice. And of course, back at them apartments there is the RH Princessa. I believe my mini-me, Frankie Raw, believe him and his family will be staying at the Princessa in February. Someone who's already stayed there is one of our mates, Top Notch. So if you are wanting to know what the Princessa is like as top notch. Of course, you've got a few nice, little Spanish bars as well up that road towards the Princesa. Pasta and grill bar there called FOC. And of course, Hotel Victoria. RH Hotel Victoria, I should have said. Part of the RH Hotel Group. The Crown Bar there as well. Think that's shut up for today. So yeah, not sure what's going on there, guys. But good English bar. Really good English bar. What? Oh, and the RH Hotel Royal there as well, which I'll show you in a minute. Anyway, you do have a few nice little English bars down there as well. St James's Tavern, the Crown, top bars down there, guys. Just crossing over and you can get a nice view of the little sun terrace that the RH Victoria has. Very nice hotel, guys. Then of course RH Victoria is directly opposite its sister hotel, RH Royal. Both very good hotels, guys. Of course, they also have another sister hotel, showing you it again, the RH Princesa. Think the RH Hotel Group is another sort of big, well-known hotel group in this area of Benidorm, I should say. Because I didn't see him participating in the British Fancy Dress Fiesta parade. And now we've got Hotel Benidorm Plaza. That's quite a nice looking hotel. Scooter parking there. You can also hire bikes apparently. Right, no, I think that's a workshop zone for bikes hired from RH Victoria and RH Royal. Just so that you know as well, RH Royal is more catered towards adults, and the Hotel Plaza got a clock in the wall there. I don't think it's telling the right time though, so I wouldn't really go off that for your time. But yeah, as I said, the Hotel Plaza is just down here. Looks a very nice hotel. And if you like McDonald's or KFC, just head down this little alleyway here. You will come out in the Plaza de Triangular, where you got McDonald's, KFC, a kebab shop, the Robin Hood bar and the Bingo Plaza. Just be warned with the bingo, they do it in fully Spanish, so you might get a wee bit confused. Last hotel before we get to Chicken Bridge is the Hotel Agua Azul. Absolutely gorgeous hotel. I mean, we could count the Hotel Primavera just up there on Calais Primavera, but maybe share that another day, guys. I think I'll just quickly cross over so I can show you the pool area. That is kind of what I like about this hotel. Does seem like the pool area is situated on a stop that again. Pool area is situated on a lower level with a nice restaurant and bar area as well. The food's meant to be rather good in there. You also have a nice little sun terrace up the side here as well. And I do accept mobility scooters. Anyway, guys, comment down below if you've ever stayed in any of the hotels mentioned in today's video. And I think I will finish off the video by crossing over Chicken Bridge. Now, this bridge has probably got an actual name in Spanish, but I think all the splits...
Polo Bridge.
Yeah, Polo Bridge. Polo Bridge. We just call it Chicken Bridge, guys, mainly because there's like a takeaway chicken restaurant. Quite often for Fiesta, it does play home to the night market as well, which has stalls all down this road, selling tons of different stuff, from kids' toys to woolly hats or traditional Spanish sweets. Down below is, of course, a pet shop there, Mascotas, home to the parrot, of course. Then just in the background is the beautiful Plaza de Triangular and the start of Avenida Mediterraneo. Haven't I almost forgot? In the background is the beautiful Bristol Hotel. Absolutely glorious hotel, that, guys.
Where the bridge got its name from.
Yeah, that's where the bridge got its name from, guys. Al Puente Bar and Restaurant. Polos Asados. Roast chicken. Brilliant chicken shop, guys. Homemade chips and a homemade garlic sauce. God, now that sounds nice. Roast chicken, chips and garlic sauce. Oh God. It's a shame they're closed and on skint, guys, because if they were open and I had money, I'd be going in there for something to eat. Anyway, guys, after that you do have a nice bakery and cafe and, of course, town further down the road. So that will be where I end today's video,
Just
guys.
give you a little bit more information on that.
Go on.
That chicken shop there is old as Scooter Sue.
The chicken shop's older than Scooter Sue?
No, same age.
Same age? Bit of useless information there, guys. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe. Love you all. See you in the next one.